Most organisations tend to overcomplicate asset management. So this workshop will reinforce that you are probably already doing asset management within your organisation and don't realise it.
This workshop is about two things. It's about bringing the knowledge of asset management to the context of your organisation. By doing this and actually going through a process, by the end of the workshop, you will all have an equal understanding of what asset management is, but more importantly, how to apply it to your organisation for what it is you're trying to resolve.
Well, structured change services government, not-for-profit, private and defence. There are similarities across them all, but there are also subtle differences.
Whether you're an organisation made up of assets or whether you're servicing the assets of another organisation, what this course will bring to life is the fact that you can actually add value and exploit value that might be able to be resold to the organisation which you're servicing. This is the key part of asset management, because whether you're the asset owner, the maintainer, builder, designer, operator, it doesn't matter. Asset management is bringing all these capabilities together in order to bring value.
It doesn't matter what your position is within an organisation. This workshop will help demonstrate that everyone has a role in delivering value in asset management.
Over the past years, I've had the privilege to be part of many international organisations around asset management, ISO, Global Forum for Maintenance and Asset Management, etc. But the key piece to this is being able to discuss and learn how other industries around the world apply asset management in a pragmatic and simple way. There are a lot of free frameworks out there that many people or organisations aren't aware of. This course will bring those to life and enable you to build your asset management capability in a way that suits you.